Hey guys. So yeah, I got 5 different mowers. I got this one, the one that's being held on by one primary bolt on the side, then the front by a door hinge, and then on that side there's nothing. But I mean, it's still pretty secured down to the frame, so it shouldn't come loose. But if it does, I'll just tighten it again. Got this push mower here. It's a little dirty. I'll clean up. Starts ones. Brand new pull rope. Selling it. Oh, you know what's funny? It's got a Predator 212 carburetor on this. You can see that's a Predator 212 fuel valve. This is the original air filter. So now you have a fuel shutoff on it, but sadly, the original air filter blocks it. But it used to leak fuel, but it doesn't anymore because I fixed it. Well, it's complicated. I'd have to show you when I work on a carburetor, but the needle for the float it wasn't even on there. It was just sitting at the bottom of the bowl letting fuel flow out, wasting gas. And this one, Crossman 21-inch. In the previous video, I replaced the fuel tank. The old one's sitting there in the dirt because it's useless. Leaks gas. You can see it cracked. Oh yeah. Can see inside. Yeah, that's no good. So that had to be replaced. I kept the fuel cap though, just in case. Like, you know, if I get another push mower and it doesn't have a fuel cap, I got one right in my garage. Anyways, I'm selling this one too. That's all that. Oh, brand new pull rope assembly as well. So yeah, I'm selling these mowers real soon. They both start in one, but I just gotta get kill switches for them because the cable's broke. Well, I'm just gonna buy a cable for it. I'm just gonna buy cables. This one I'm buying a kill switch for because I think the assembly for this kill system is messed up. It was like that when I got it. I got this one for free from a friend a little over a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and here I am. Got it back. Because my neighbor was supposed to help me sell it, but he just got too busy and we forgot about it. I got busy with other projects and we kind of forgot about it. So I got it back and I'll sell it at the next yard sale that I'm having. Well, I'm not having it. Somebody else that I know is gonna have it. So they told me I could bring it over, the whatever I wanted to sell. So when I get the cable, the kill cable for this, get it finished, I'll sell this for $100, maybe less. But I mean, it's a really good push mower though. Just gotta clean it up. This one I'll probably sell for $60 because it's older. I mean, but the frame is solid. This one I'm keeping for sure because it's got the jerry-rigged door hinge setup. This is broke. Actually, maybe not. Maybe this was what was shutting it off. probably what it was. And obviously, got a broken piece right here. Blade I can't get off to replace. Got a massive hole right there. The carburetor, I did this. It is JB welded. I don't know if you can see the JB weld. This is JB welded right there. You can see it's all JB welded straight to the frame, or the intake pipe, I mean. I put a screw in because the governor's screwed up, so to keep the throttle in place and regulate the RPMs. Put that on. I mean, but it's a good engine. Yeah, see, there's another hole right there, but I mean, it's a good mower though. It's a good personal push mower. Though I wouldn't recommend selling this, though, obviously. I'm not sure how much longer it's gonna last without needing repairs. Oh, I'm using this as a choke. So, the wheels aren't, these are not the original wheels, obviously. Obviously, the back is supposed to be bigger. It's supposed to have the back wheel size of that Craftsman that I'm selling. I'm also selling that four-wheeler. It's a Tao 125. So, sell that for $400. But, I mean, yeah. This riding mower I'm giving to my mom because she don't have a riding mower. So, and besides that, I have two. That's first one. And then this one, which I'm keeping indefinite, my Aaron's zero-turn riding mower, 42-inch. Got a Briggs Intech 19 horsepower overhead valve engine. The fuel tank is to feed the gas, feed the carburetor gas. I replaced the starting solenoid because I had to, because it wouldn't. I mean, it would run without it, but you couldn't use the key as the ignition source. So therefore, I had to replace it because I was getting tired of jumping the thing. Oil is good. It could use an oil change later. I'll probably change it when it comes to the next mowing season. Oh, I'm starting to get a headache all of a sudden. Left side. This is the fuel pump for it. I gotta get more fuel line because I need fuel line for it. So once you crank the key, the fuel pump starts pumping gas to the carburetor. And when you shut it off, it stops. So, on some models. So, tomorrow, I'm getting this flat fixed because some idiots who was working on our roof left the stupid nails from the thing. Oh, really? Oh, they messed up now. The nails went all the way through. It didn't before. It's not supposed to go through. Oh, they messed up now. They messed up now. But yeah, those nails is what popped my tire. I don't know. Yeah, the hole's right there. Don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's a really, really small hole. I gotta get it tire plugged. And in order to do that, I gotta take it off and put it on a cinder block. So, I mean, but yeah. That's that. clean up this garage a little bit. Oh, want to know what the hose is for? Well, that one's to fill up the pool. But something that's cool though, I have an overhead, wait for it. I got an overhead ice cold shower. During the summertime when I'm mowing the lawn. Oh yeah, nice and cool now. And then get back to mowing. Just get soaked in that while I'm mowing the lawn. Try not to get the mower wet. Well, obviously I wouldn't put the mower under there, because then over time, metal parts will rust out. And trust me, this looks in really good shape. Not sure how old it is, but it's got a nice cup holder right there. The seat's a little worn, but that's okay. Your parking brake, because there is no other safety sensor since somebody screwed it up. They disconnected the seat sensor, safety sensor, and put a 30 amp fuse in its place. Oh, by the way, that's a brand new battery that I put in. Yeah, it was $60, I believe, at the auto parts store. So, yeah. Alright. So, what do you say I go ride my dirt bike? I mean, obviously, well, I don't feel like riding it today because it's getting cold again. And, yeah, you can see the hole that's all under there. Underneath the engine because it's not seated all the way. So I gotta put some sheet metal under there so it doesn't fling that crap into my eyes. Or me. That's dangerous. I'll show you how to fix that when I get the sheet metal, but this has no holes, absolutely no holes. And neither does this one. I mean, it's got one small bolt hole. Oh, I'll take that. So, yeah. We got some firewood over there. And we also have some over there by the trees. So, I got me a small Harbor Freight generator. It needs an electrical outlet or a switch panel. Probably both. Well, probably the switch panel thing on the back. I mean, it does start up and run, yes. It runs really good. You can only put less than 6.5 amps. You can run a couple of lights off it. I mean, could run that battery charger too. That's only 6 amps. It will run that. 6 amp battery charger. Yeah, that would go great on there. So, alright. So, yeah, I'm gonna put the stuff away here in a few minutes because it's getting cold out here. You think this morning was cold, it's probably only gonna get worse tonight. I'll have me a fire going. Well, probably not. I'll probably have one going like Friday night or something, depending on how cold it is. So, yeah, there you go. See you in the next video.